Free kicks are one of the most majestic sights in football. From Beckham's curlers to Messi's precision, they can change the game in a flash. But how often does a player score not just one, but two free kicks in a single game? It's rare, and today we're diving into 10 unforgettable moments when footballers did just that between 2000 and 2025. Let's get started. Number 1 is David Beckham versus Greece 2001. Let's start with one of the most iconic performances of all time. England versus Greece. With the World Cup qualification on the line, Beckham scored two stunning free kicks, including the dramatic 93rd minute equalizer. Number 2, Ronaldinho versus Betis. It was 2006, Barcelona versus Betis. Camp Nou was electric, and Ronaldinho, he was on another planet. Boom, one free kick, top corner, the goalkeeper frozen, the crowd losing their mind, but Ronaldinho wasn't done. Just minute later, another chance, same man, same ball, same results. Two free kicks, two goals in just one game from the same wizard. He didn't just play football, he painted with it, and on that night, the Camp Nou was his canvas. Number 3 is Cristiano Ronaldo versus Stoke City 2008. At Manchester United, a young Cristiano Ronaldo was already building a reputation for his knuckleball technique. Against Stoke, he unleashed two devastating free kicks in one match, one with power, the other with precision. Number 4, Lionel Messi versus Sevilla 2019. Messi's free kick record is staggering, but in 2019 against Sevilla, he curled 2-inch perfect shots, each on opposite sides of the box, a masterclass in left-footed artistry. Number 5, Hakan Çalhanoğlu versus Mainz 2015. Known for his dead ball brilliance, Çalhanoğlu stunned Mainz with two long-range screamers, one from 30 plus yards, the other curled over the wall, a demonstration of raw power and finesse. We're halfway through, and each of these moments is proof of how free kicks can define legacies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorites in the comments. To the top corner. Number 7, Trent Alexander Arnold versus Chelsea 2021. Trent Alexander Arnold isn't just a fullback, he's a playmaker, a set piece artist, and a constant threat. In a 2021 clash against Chelsea, he lifted up Anfield with two magnificent free kicks, one bending around the wall, the other driven low and hard past the keeper. Still only in his early 20s, this performance confirmed that Liverpool fans already knew Trent's right foot is among the best in the world football. Number 8, Neymar versus Red Star Belgrade 2018 UCL. PSG's Neymar delivered two dropping goals from set pieces in a Champions League group stage match, a right-footed whip, a driven shot that left the keeper rooted. Number 9, Declan Rice versus Real Madrid 2025 UCL. Known more for his defensive prowess and midfield control, Declan Rice shocked everyone in quarterfinals of the Champions League against Real Madrid. The England international stepped up not once but twice, delivering two unexpected yet stunning free kicks that left fans and pundits in awe. It was a rare glimpse into another layer of his game, calm under pressure, technically sharp, and clearly confident. Arsenal fans will be hoping there's more of that in his locker. Number 10, Enzo Fernandez versus Fiorentina. A recent addition to this elite club, Enzo Fernandez, playing for Chelsea in a preseason friendly, stunned Fiorentina with two curling goals from similar angles, a glimpse into his involving attacking game. Two free kicks goals in one match, a feat of rare brilliance, whether it's Beckham's drama, Messi's elegance, or Ward Prowess's consistency. These players etched themselves into history with moment of magic. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share with your football crew, and don't forget to subscribe for more football deep dives. And we'll catch you in the next one.